Gildner. I got a degree in CNC programming from the LSC, and I am a robotic technician at Ikonics AMS. This here is a KR60. It can pick up 60 kilograms and whip it around like it's not even there. And we use it primarily to sandblast aerospace parts. The robot right now is in its home position for this particular program. It's going to come over here, the fixture's not on it. And every joint moves at the same time. It's kind of like a painting operation. It's just going slowly over the part, sandblasting the material that we needed to sandblast. And this is in the slowest mode. This particular robot is capable of doing 3 meters a second, all day long, all night long.